Meaning of iguana.
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 Iguana. Iguana is a type of lizard found primarily in Central and South America, known for its distinctive appearance and behavior. These reptiles typically have long, slender bodies covered in spiny scales and can grow up to 5 feet in length. Iguanas are also known for their keen sense of vision, basking behavior, and herbivorous diet. Some species of iguana are popular as pets, but they require specialized care and are not recommended for inexperienced owners. Overall, iguanas are fascinating creatures that play an important role in many ecosystems throughout their range.